Sleep tight, puppy. Hey, what's that? Haven't you heard? Let sleeping dogs lie. Oh no! The aliens are stealing dogs! Something tells me they must be from Pluto. Don't worry, this pup's got a lot of bite. I hear his bark's not too bad either. Quick, puppy! Let's get out of here! Oh no, a plastic ball! His only weakness! Take off your shoes. It's a whole ball pit. Let's get out of here, Dr. Jones! Guess cats aren't the only ones with claws. Ooh, look, a key. It's just what we need. Let's go. Remember, take a left at Albuquerque. Uh-oh, the floor is lava. But it's okay. We prepared for this. It's time for a little lassoing. Make sure it's got a strong backbone. Now add some wooden blocks for steps. Okay now, get along, little doggy. Quick, hurry, unless you want to end up a hot dog. Okay, puppy, it's time to slide on down. Hey, what's that over there? A toy train! Oh no! Get out of here, Snail! Oh, right, Snail! Super Pup will save you! He'll keep you on the right track. But now it's time to save our sprunky friend. Looks like Simon's safe for now.
Yay!
This place is straight out of a Mario game. Careful, I think that plant bites. Can't get something for nothing. We need to find some serious coin. Ooh, mystery boxes, just what we need. Insert a coin. Maybe a few more. That did it, and we're out of here. This vent is like a maze. Can you smell the exit? So this is how deep the rabbit hole goes. Oh no! The aliens! We've been spotted! It's a good thing these vents are dog-sized. Look, the light at the end of the tunnel. Let's hope we're close to the exit. I wonder where these doors lead to. Yeah, I'd close the door if I were you. You sure you want to try door number 2? At least it leads somewhere. Another maze! Yarn! How could cats like this stuff? Joke's on them, he's part boxer. This is nothing compared to Lava Land. French fries? Where's the burger? Ooh, what does this button do? Oh no! The button betrayed us! Good idea. It always helps when dogs stick together. And this pup likes his sausages extra spicy. Now that's what I call cooking with gas. A spooky castle. Let's check inside. So far, it's not the creepiest thing today. I spoke too soon! Got any bug spray? That's okay. Puppy can always lend a paw. Ooh, cool slime. Guess it's what's inside that counts. Looks like Mr. Tarantula wants to tarantella. But some things are best served under glass. The door's locked! There must be a final boss. A snake! Guess they ran out of bugaboos. Either way, we know how to charm this guy. Where's the Pied Piper when you need him? Don't worry, we've always got a plan B. He's out of here, and so are we. Another maze? Did Daedalus design this place? There better not be a minotaur around here. Oh no! That must be the alien spy! Don't worry, he looks like he can take him. A UFO! I think there's something inside. All we need to do is open it up. Treats! Maze running sure works up an appetite. And you've already got a second course. Eat up. Looks like your lift is here. Fourth floor for exits and kitchenware. A dead end? Well, we'll just have to make an exit. The drill doesn't work. Let's try a saw. Where does it go? Uh-oh, the aliens! But this time, puppies come prepared. Uh-oh, I was hoping they'd melt. Guess it's time for someone to get begging. A little gimme paw might help too. Don't worry, puppy. It was all just a bad dream. There's no such thing as aliens. Besides, if there really were aliens, they'd probably be more scared of you. Oh, Christmas came early. You've got a gift. Though I don't think he'll write you a thank you note. Oh, he didn't mean to be ungrateful. Maybe you can make it up to her somehow. How about a creepy crawly of your very own? It doubles as a great workout routine too. After all, you really shouldn't forget leg day. Especially when you've got 4 of them. But be careful, this little guy can climb walls. Guess that's why they call it a climbing toy. Time for dessert. And have we got a menu? Of course, this pooch doesn't do chocolate. How about we have some fun with our food? Our starters, some kibble stuffed ravioli. Plus some kibble in the antipasti. And lattice pie. Don't forget the side salad. Always nice to have a balanced spread of kibble. Oh, so you already like the selection? Well, we've got another surprise up our sleeve. And it's got a lot of appeal. Mashed banana. Smashed right to table, with berries on top. Think she'll like it? She likes it! Puppy likes it! Her compliments to the chef. Puppy really needs to wipe her paws before coming in. Well, someday your prince will come.
Oh,
Paw
no.
prince. Yeah. And it looks like that day is today. It also looks like today is someone's bath day. We've even got special dog shampoo to help. Mix it with water and make sure to get behind those ears. It usually isn't nice to spit, but this is for the greater good. You know the orders: lather, rinse, repeat. Especially that last part. We want our pooch looking her best. Now things are gonna get wet around here real fast. All done. Let's wrap you up in a towel. Isn't it nice to have your own personal groomer? Everyone should be so lucky. Oh, who's a good girl? Oh, shedding season came early this year. The beard suits you, but there are other things we can do with hair. That's gotta hurt. Oh, wait, never mind. Fill up the pup.
Wow.
Now you'll always have a furry friend by your side. Pets might be cute, but they don't always make the best models. Never works with kids or animals. Don't worry, we just need to rethink this. This will give your pup that fresh kissed look. Now give your dog a treat, like their favorite gravy. And soon, your pup will be the next big social media star.